Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to customize the checkout page in your Bigcommerce store. Customizing the checkout helps create a smooth brand experience, builds user trust, and can help increase conversion rates. Let's get started. In your Bigcommerce dashboard, go to Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down and find the Checkout option. In Advanced Settings, you will see the Checkout section. Click here to customize your checkout. It will download, and you can make your changes here. You can set up customer accounts, persistent carts, security, and the optimized one-page checkout. Adjust these options as needed. You can also go to the styling section. You will also see the order confirmation settings. To open the styling options, click Open Page Builder. Go there and wait for it to load. In the Checkout folder, you will see your checkout page. You can edit it here. Go here to make your changes. Use this area to optimize the checkout page. You can edit the header background color, add a logo, put a discount banner, and change the summary colors. Choose the options that fit your brand. When you are finished, click Save and Publish. Always test your checkout after making changes to make sure everything works well for your customers.